Yes, we are going to, from this video, we are going to be talking about material cost. Yes, in renewable energy, maybe if you are doing a very bad job, just know that you need the right material to succeed for the job. If not, you will fall into trouble. When I mean trouble, let us assume I give a cost to a customer, irrespective of the brand you are using. Irrespective of the brand you are using, you give a, but if you not use this protection or this protection system, this breaker cutoff, sometimes there are some inverter. Let me also tell you, there are some inverter whereby if you not shut the battery, if you not cut the battery off, the inverter will not trip off. So that is why I always encourage installers and also clients to engage in buying a battery breaker. Not that this battery doesn't have breaker, it has. It has. Sometimes it is not that too advisable going to the main frame of your battery, start turning it off before you damage this particular system. With this, just try as possible best to turn it off. Immediately you turn this one off, automatically you have cut down the 48 volts that is supplying this inverter, so you have shut it down. So doing that, you see that your inverter automatically goes off. In hybrid, let assuming you are still experiencing maybe your inverter is not shutting down, just simply go to the breaker like this. You can see the breaker in this place. Just turn the breaker off. Definitely we are going to label it. This inverter, it has 12 ppt. We are going to label it PV1, PV2. So when you get to this PV2 and PV3, all the breaker is going to be labeled. So just simply turn the breaker down, PV2 and PV3 and PV4. You see that automatically the inverter will shut down and you can reboot your system. If there's any error message that needs restart, you see that automatically it will get clear. But if it's an error message that is not going to play, you see that one is a problem. It's going to write on the screen. Most of these modern inverter, you will see them, all the error message is written on this way. You go to your manual, consult your manual. The error message will tell you the kind of problem. If it's temperature problem, you will see it. If it's overload problem, you will see it. So it's just telling you for you to restart your system, then your system will come back. Irrespective of the brand you are using, whether they are giving you 5 years or 10 years warranty. But still remember, if you use somebody that is not competent, your 5 years or 2 years warranty, you are not going to. Just imagine you do not size your cable. You are doing this kind of installation, you are using 1.5, just like the case that we have in Lagos. The case that we have in Lagos, they use 1.5 mm to power battery. It's very funny. Use 1.5 mm cable to power lithium battery, and the whole place burst into fire. So now, are you going to hold Felicity responsible? Are you going to hold DA responsible? Are you going to hold God's Power lithium battery responsible? So these are the things when we are talking about warranty. Warranty covers when a competent installer do your installation. Not that when you give to a quack, then you start saying, I want to go and sue Felicity, I want to go and sue DA, I want to go and sue Fireman. Guys, this video is for client and also installer. Please, you as an installer, you are trying to win a job before your other colleagues by using substandard material so that they will not give the job to your client. And also you client, you know the truth because you are going for a cheaper bid, then you go for incompetent someone that is not competent to do your job. At the end, you'll be looking for who to arrest and who to sue to court. Thank you. This video is just an advice. Remember, this is Process Technical. As I said, you can contact us. It's free of charge. It's free of charge. Maybe you need any awareness or renewable energy. What side of inverter am I going to use? How am I going to do my calculation? We are here to assist you so that there will not be fire angry. Thank you. Remain blessed.